everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and also follow me on my Instagram. So for today's DIY, I got inspired by my mom's heart box over at Beverly's Design Time, and I love stars, so I decided to do a star. So you're going to need a glue gun and glue sticks, clear chopping mats, a popsicle stick, a paintbrush, different size gems, and I'm also going to use bigger different size and shapes, some bling wrap, some fix all glue, some silver paint, also some glitter, some Mod Podge, a small mixing glass, a blade, and last but not least, foam board. So the first thing we're going to do is start making the lid. So we're going to take this ink pen and we're going to trace the top part of this star. You're going to face it down on the foam board, trace it, and then cut it out. I'm actually going to be cutting two different stars. The first star I'm going to cut will be from the top part, and then the second star is going to be from the bottom part of the glass because it's going to be smaller. So I went ahead and cut those off camera using my blade. Here's my bigger star and here's my smallest star. And once you put those two together, the small foam star should sit right inside of the glass star, and the big star should sit right on top of the glass star. Now we're going to take the fix all glue and glue both of the stars together. You just want to take the glue around the small star and then stick it on to the big star. So here's that done, and now I'm just going to place it on top of the star to make sure it's in the right place. Next, I'm going to take the clear mat, and as you see, two of them come in a pack. I'm just going to cut out another bigger star just to have a better surface for the top of my star. I'm going to be cutting this star in the corner of this mat just so I can have extra mat to use in case I want to use it for something else. So I went ahead and cut this star off camera, and now I'm going to do the same thing I did the first time, which is take the fix all glue and sit it on top of the big star. Now I'm going to take the tip of my hot glue gun and push it down on top of the center of the star, and then I'm going to take my paintbrush and just go ahead and push the hole through so I can have a part for my handle. Next, I'm going to take my silver paint and my little mixing glass, and I'm going to paint all over the star about 3 or 4 times just to make sure it's completely covered. So while the top dries, I'm going to go ahead and start designing the bottom half of the star. I'm going to take my bling wrap and I'm going to cut in rows of 2, and I'm going to take that all the way around the star at the bottom. Also, you want to use your glue gun for this part of the DIY. Once you're done with that, this is what it should look like. Next, I'm going to take my bling wrap again, and this time I'm going to cut in strips of 1, and I'm going to place them around each inside corner of the star. And this is what that should look like. Once completed, this is what it should look like all around. So now I'm going to take another strip of 2 and go around the top of this star, but I'm going to cut it where the inside meets, and I went ahead and did that off camera, so this is what it looks like once it's done. Now I'm going to take the jar of the different size circle gems, and I'm going to pick out a size and just place 1 gem on each flat part of the star all the way around. This is what it should look like once that part is done. So now that the lid is done drying on top and around the edges, we're going to take our Mod Podge and our silver glitter and mix those 2 together and go ahead and start painting on top of the star. So I went ahead and painted over that about 3 or 4 times, and now that that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and screw my knob into place before I place the gems on top. Now that I have that in place, I'm going to get my bigger gems, which are different shapes, and I'm going to just place them all around the star to see where I want them. Once I have them in place where I want them, I'm going to take my glue gun and glue them into place. Once that's done, this is what it should look like. And now I'm going to take these smaller gems and place different sizes in different places on the star. And this is what it should look like once that part is done. The next thing I'm going to do is take 1 strip of bling, and I'm going to go around the top of the star and around the sides of the star and just glue it down. Here's what the top of that looks like completed. Here's what the side of that looks like completed. So here's the completed box, top and bottom. I really love how it came together. I think my favorite part is the top of the star. I just love how I put the gems together. Which part do you guys like the most? Comment below and let me know. But that's gonna be all for this video. If you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.